Clear history grayed out on iPhone? Fix it fast. First, turn off screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and click on the Screen Time option. Again, scroll down. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, turn off the toggle next to the option. It will prompt you to enter the screen time passcode. If this method doesn't work, then try. Second, check Safari settings again. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and click on Apps. Again, scroll down. Then tap on the Safari app. Now move to the History and Website Data section. Here you will see the Clear History and Website Data option. If it's still grayed out, continue to the next step. Third, restart your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. At the top, long press on Power button, and then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it on again. After restarting, check again. In most cases, this fixes the problem. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.